G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 62 Pantlands Lane in the popular and centrally located suburb of Irraween. As usual, there is a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely inner suburban oasis was completed in 2022 and is positioned on a spacious 619 square metre corner allotment, which adds to that sense of space. This home is located in the popular and centrally located suburb of Irraween, which offers the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having Hervey Bay's CBD and essential amenities all only minutes away, including shopping centres, hospitals, university, golf course, esplanade and the beach. Enter and be welcomed by an array of quality appointments with stylish vinyl planks and remote window roller blinds throughout the open light-filled design. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen does form the heart of this home and includes a large island preparation bench with a breakfast bar, lovely stone bench tops, loads of storage and a butler's pantry with sink. Quality appliances include an induction hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher, plus there is plumbing provision for refrigerators with water filters and ice makers. Ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and entertaining on those special occasions. This stunning home utilises its space perfectly, with the vast indoor dining and living area seamlessly opening out to that fantastic north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. In addition to the vast open plan dining and living area, there is also a separate lounge or media room. This is where you'll be able to enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan dining and living area, as well as the media room and main bedroom. You can also make a splash in that sparkling magnesium in-ground swimming pool, which is also heated so you'll be able to swim all year round. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The spacious main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom does include a large shower recess, the toilet and the vanity. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with a remote panel lift door and offers direct internal access into the home. You've also got side access to an approximate 6 by 4 metre shed with power connected that will suit a range of uses. The energy conscious will appreciate the large 8.6 kilowatt solar power system, and there is a remote sensor watering system to keep that evergreen lawn in top shape. Homes offering these features in this location are always popular and in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.